Hey guys, what's up now? Today I got some stuff to unbox. Let's unbox it. Ooh. Let's see what we have. Also, can you give me some scissors?
I don't know where's the scissors.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Hold on guys, I'll be right back. Gotta go get the scissors. Ashley, where's the scissors?
The easy thing I just bite it.
We will buy the two of them, okay?
Okay, because I can't. So good.
You must be touching it, were you? Smell ya.
No, I didn't know they come in packs.
Okay, guys. Here.
Yeah,
Like this one.
Here.
Oh, geez.
And we got this.
No, that's not.
Oh, there. I opened it.
Let me see what you got. Oh, you got this.
I got show the audience. I should put this yellow thing in the garbage. We got this, the squishy, and this blue one, squishy.
And
Mommy, what? What's it?
anyways, sit there.
It's time to open one of this.
Ew, yucky.
We got some hamburger buns.
Okay.
Who put her up on the page? Oh.
Look.
She loves him and he loves her.
Five, 10 and 10.
Daddy.
Oh,
What
blossom.
the fuck is that, Ed? Cats and snowflakes.
Ashton, can you open this? Mom, can mommy?
Hear
Mommy,
it in
Mom, can you
batting
open
at window.
this? Can you open this?
She always does that.
Yeah, can you open that? Make a YouTube video.
When I look over there, she just like goes,
No, okay.
move it. Then.
Whoa! I got a creeper exploding. Got a creeper exploding. This is another
Daddy.
one.
I can't see what those do.
Look,
Ooh.
creeper exploding. Second one.
Well, I'll open
Who's
it
got
up.
her?
I know.
Hold on, Ashton. Okay, I need some help, Ashton.
What is that, Mama?
No, it might be hard for you.
I can open it so hard.
Hard, isn't it? If it's hard, just ask mommy. There's some stuff. Got this. Exploding creeper. Is it hard, Ashton?
No, actually, it's hard giving it. You guys open it so hard. Well, if you're doing legendary, that's no fair.
It is, because you have two. Mommy, do you know where's the scissors? I didn't have them today. Where's the scissors? I don't know where's the scissors.
Mommy. you got legendary?
No. I got a zombie pigman on lightning. I got this.
Oh yeah, I got that one.
Time for another one. I get it. Oh, yeah. It's this is a rare one.
It got pumpkin.
Skeleton with pumpkin.
How close are you now to getting chopped off?
Now the last
That's fun, though.
one. Hope I get a golden figure. I only have 2
Well, that
now
battery's
since I
fucked
had
there.
one.
Good shot. Have fun.
Left key on.
And I have a cow.
And they're
You
like
got any
stone.
legendary?
Now,
The key was on
here's my
since.
last one.
So you got 2. So you got.
Now I
three.
got
Glad she's
this.
in there.
This.
Well, so much for that, dude.
Look at the this is his. This is his hat.
I got the batteries
Okay,
in that
Ashton,
truck.
can you please leave me
And
alone?
Pat's truck. Well, I call it Pat's truck. I always call it Pat's truck. I didn't see you next to the hamburger buns, obviously.
Huh?
I didn't see you next to the hamburger buns, obviously.
Show you this wolf with a bone. Wolf with a bone.
Which took his truck on and go in.
The white one?
The black one.
Now I'll show you the teleporting Enderman.
In front of me?
Now look at these.
Last one, skeleton with diamond armor.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Now,
Yeah, but he got his white one.
now the last one.
Because he
is
drove
me
past him
and
his white one the other day.
Oh, it's that one truck.
Thanks, but Randy is Mitchell's now. It's no good. It's,
You want me to trade for my black
No.
truck and bring it?
no. No chance.
I
Maybe
just want-
first when he got it before he used it. But not now. Did you have more cookies? Yes.
Me and Ashton.
Oh, Ashton had some? The Rice Krispie ones? Did you like them, baby?
Should buy cookies.
I made some cowboy.
You know. Yeah, hold on now. Where's my bag?
Give it up. Here is the Disney Infinity character.
Good?
Yeah.
From now on. Put the bag in there.
Gotta throw all this garbage in the garbage.
Now I got to be putting the litter in too. Like I got a thing full of litter down there. And that's heavy too. Look.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, well, I got $100 each. Because I only had a few like blocks of cream cheese next. I'm gonna make a dip next week. Did you like the Mexican dip? I'm gonna make that again for New Year's. And all that, so I picked up that. And anyways, the total came to $9.
Okay.
But I didn't realize they were so expensive, but that's what it was.
Here
$40 there for 2 of that.
is the
Holy
stuff.
shit. Oh, batteries are expensive.
Now I'm gonna put it in my collector's case. Shoot, my collector's case is downstairs. Put them right here. Okay, I'm going downstairs. There it is. I got the stone one. I got that on Christmas Day. Okay, I got that. Oh, yeesh. Sorry, guys. Okay. Let's go back upstairs. Hi, Hemi. That's the cat. That's a rescue one. Oh, hold on. Hemi. She's a rescue cat. We're keeping her until we find an owner. Whoa, Daddy! Scared me. I do have ocelots. Got all my stuff. Okay. Okay. Teleporting Enderman. creeper exploding this. Okay. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to end it right here. Bye, guys. See you next time. See you later. Bye.